So the problem we have here is you're out running the boat, all of a sudden your power goes down to about half power and your alarm starts going off, a steady beep letting you know that you're low on oil is what it's telling you. And what that typically is it's a simple problem and an easy fix. If you're out on the water and you're kind of like, what in the world am I going to do? Do I need to call a tow service to come get me in? You don't have to do that. What you can do, I typically carry, I know it's funny looking, but I carry a turkey baster on my boat. What that allows me to do in a situation like that is I can go in here, draw oil out of my reservoir, and then put it right in there. That cap pops right off and you can just add oil, because what's happening is your oil level's gotten too low and it's letting you know it's too low and it's trying to prevent you from blowing up the motor. And what is happening is you're not getting oil into this reservoir from your pump. So let me come back over here. So you've now added a quart of oil, or carrying an extra quart of oil with you, or you have something like that where you can transfer the oil from one tank to another. And like I said, you can continue running like that all day as long as you want to keep manually putting oil in. So when you get ready to replace what the problem is, here's what the problem is that causes this. It's a filter located on the inside of this tank by your pump. So the way you get to it is you take this 10mm bolt out here, you pull that out, replace, so you can get this bracket off. It comes right off. It's easy. It's just a lift. You need to disconnect the electrical connection, so just push it down and pull it right out and it comes right out. So your filter is located right here. This is something you should do annually and replace. So let me get this, there you go. Cut off. There's your part number to replace this filter. Filter's got an arrow on it showing you the flow, so I'm going to put it towards that way, towards your pump. So it's pumping oil out of here through your filter into your pump and into your motor. Make sure you put you some tie wraps on it to secure it in place. I have a tie wrap tool to make it a little tighter, but it's whatever you may have. Problem solved. Now like I said, your plug's not plugged up anymore. Oil can flow through, no more problems. Again, this is an annual item. I changed that one out last year. It went off again this year. So when you get ready to do your lower unit maintenance and all your other maintenance, go ahead and replace that filter. Thank y'all and have a good day.